What are you doing? You look frustrated. What's going on?
I kind of am. See these battery terminals?
Right.
They're pretty annoying.
Why?
Because when you put the battery terminal on, you're supposed to tighten these and close the hood and drive it every single day. This is a classic car that we only go for rides in the summer. I don't like them.
But they worked for this many years.
The thing is, this battery we use for all of our classic cars when we want to drive them or start them or anything like that. But it's a little bit of a hassle to loosen each one of the clamps on just this car to go put in another one. And then the next day I'll say you got to loosen the clamps on that one and go put in another car.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
and you can brake. You can strip the bolts.
You can strip the bolts and all that kind of stuff.
You know what I like about this one? Not to interrupt you. Somebody really got excited with some sort of a tool. It's shaped like an upside down rainbow. What the heck did they do to that thing? They really wanted it on there.
That's what happens when the wrong people get these cars.
Okay, anyway, so go ahead. So what were you going to do?
So that's why I got quick connects from Dorman.
That's a great idea.
Come here.
Yeah.
I'll show you what I mean. Come here.
Oh yeah, look at that. You install them on this one. You can adjust and stuff. Yeah, that makes sense. And you close them up. You squeeze.
It's like a clamp.
You squeeze, please. You need a scissor.
Yeah.
Oh, and it comes with a tool inside. You got your Allen head ready to install, even if you're at the mall. Oh, come cut it over here. You got a whole audience watching. Come over here. Don't be shy. Come here. Closer. Come here, mother dear. Can you please come over here? Give me this thing! What are you doing? Look what he does to mess with me. He cuts this off. Dorman. But why'd you make me wait that long? You were cutting this? What am I supposed to do with this?
You put on your toolbox.
I'm gonna post it to paste post. I'm gonna post it to the paste. I'm gonna post it to your forehead.
Tough guy.
Did I say post it again?
Check this out.
Oh, baby, they even gave you a pad. Come on, be a tough guy. Surprise yourself. Push that thing. I knew you could do it. Told you. You might want to hit that one with a razor. That's not going to splice. Only if you feed it rice.
I got the negative one on, and there's really not much to it because they already give you the tools to do it. It takes 2 seconds. See?
That comes in handy.
Just tighten these up once the wire's through. That after you cut it, tighten them up, put the positive terminal on, you're done. So you go to your classic car, your garage, take the battery out, go like this, take that off, take the battery, go out. Go to drive your car. Terminal, put it on, right? Tighten it. Now, okay. That was a little loose. See how loose this goes on? It's not very tight. See that? You can actually adjust how loose or tight you want it. Yeah, it's too tight, you can adjust it. See? And it don't move. Let's say you're gonna park your car. It's fall, going into winter. Salt on the road, and it's gonna sit until the summer. It's gonna sit for a long period of time. Best thing you can do is unplug your battery. The life of the battery lasts longer when you unplug it. If it's plugged in, you got about like 2 weeks. And it's especially when it's cold out, your battery's dead.
And it's true, in a lot of German cars too. They actually says it in the owner's manual of the car that if the car's going to sit for long periods of time, to disconnect the battery. Newer cars, newer to me, even up to 15 years ago they were putting them. Because the car actually has a draw from the factory. You're using it every day, you'll be fine. But if it sits for a long period of time, they tell you to disconnect the battery.
It's true, especially on newer BMWs. You need power to open the trunk because that's where the battery is.
Power to even think in that car, forget about it.
Now, don't think I'm just gonna hit the key right now and go for a ride. It still needs some work. Did you know these cars actually have plastic timing gears?
For back in the day, this was definitely a tough machine. They were very good cars.
I was talking to this one guy a couple years ago. One of these cars were there. I guess they got hit in the back or something like that, and they were gonna junk it, so they were gonna blow the engine and junk it. Okay?
One of these.
140 series, I don't know if it was a station wagon or not.
Yeah.
Put a brake on the gas pedal, and it's revving like crazy. 5 minutes go by, it's still revving. No matter what, it just would not blow up. The whole day went by, and the engine was still, it was still revving.
This car was made with its own natural rev limiter. Did you know that? They only rev to like 3,000 RPMs or something like that. That's why it never blew up.
And honestly,
I don't know the exact number, but
and honestly, the 240, the 2.1 liter, 2.3 liter, that engine came out and it was only stronger.
what is? Let's see what you know. What is the name?
P20.
Engine? What? In the car. How do you know I was going to ask you that? All right, then what is the name? Seriously, that was creepy. What's the name of the next body style? The 240 has what engine in it? It has a
B21 FT. Listen,
That's weird that you know that. It's weird.
I know it is.
So there you go. Now they're all installed. So
That's it.
show me what would you have to do to pull this battery out, opposed to look at. Go get a little wrench and unscrew this, and then the other side's turning. Go grab it with another wrench and hold it in the other side. Then all of a sudden, give me some Permatex fluid squirting stuff. So this way it lubricates it, and then you go to loosen it, and then you take it off, and then you put it on the side, and then you don't know where you put the wrench, and then you got to do another side. Now, what do you got to do? Bang! That's what I'm talking about. Taking over the world.
One set of battery terminals at a time.